What's up, Beaners? So, I didn't film this because my phone was dead, but I got the exhaust out, chopped it all up with the Sawzall, took the front drive shaft out. The only thing I'm looking at is that the drive shaft on the 4L80, well, this one doesn't have a slip yoke, it has a U-joint. So I might have to push the engine forward a little bit once I get the 6L90 in here, because the 6L90 uses a slip joint. No biggie, we'll figure it out. If not, I'll just shorten the drive shaft or figure something out. But I got all the exhaust out, I got the white pipe out. I need to disconnect the harness from the transmission, pull the motor mount bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the starter. And I already got the knock sensors disconnected. But we're getting there. Once I'm done here, I'll drop the truck back down. I think we'll go ahead and pull the 454 out first, and then get to working on the suspension. That way it's free and clear in here, and I can maneuver and get in there and wash all this nasty shit off. But let's get to it. Alright guys, just want to remind y'all to take these grounding straps and unbolt it from here. I've seen a lot of people pull motors and they don't take these out and they just end up fucking tearing them off, which is cool, but you can reuse these. It's probably the best way to ground your, because this one goes to the body and then this one goes to the head, so it keeps everything nice and grounded. And a lot of the electrical problems people have with LS swaps end up being bad grounds. So just a tip, it's one bolt, a 13mm right there. Take it out before you tear this out. Alright guys, I got everything bolted, starters out. Motor mount bolts actually came out. So, what do we gotta do? Bring her down. Let's, I still gotta drain the radiator. Couldn't reach the drain plug on the housing. Up here somewhere behind this, so I'm gonna have to get to it and just put a bucket under the truck to catch it. I think that's it. I'll disconnect whatever sensors I can reach from down here. I think we're good. I'm gonna break this ground off. See, the engine is grounded here for the battery. Take this ground off now, and then start taking all this shit apart. All right, got the truck down. If you notice, it got a little sketchy because it's way heavier up front. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 4 of the wheels back on so I can roll it back a little bit. So I don't die. But anyway, we got this down. I think I'm gonna go ahead and drop the radiator fluid. I'll start breaking out all the AC lines, the coolant lines, power steering. This is hydro boost. So I think this is where all the oil is coming from. It's all over the firewall and the frame. So I'm gonna go through these and make sure everything's good, nothing's leaking. Take out the fuel purge canister and start taking all this off. Tear down all that. Put the battery out, all that shit. Let's get it. Now, we have more room for activities. So we're gonna do the other side and start pulling wiring. As soon as I loosen that side, the radiator cord is gonna wanna lean over, so I'm gonna drain all the fluid out of it, pull the radiator out. That way it's lightened up a little bit and it's not trying to lean all over the place. I've done this before and it's a pain in the ass wrestling with this piece of shit. But it's lunchtime. Let's go eat. We'll come back. Well, that was some pretty good rain. Anyway, all right. I got everything disconnected from this side. I got the oil cooler lines taken off, the transmission coolant line or cooler lines taken off. This truck has a power steering cooler as well because the hydro boost runs off of the power steering pump. So this doesn't have a way to disconnect it. So I gotta figure out, well, I'm gonna have to just take it off back here. It's gonna be a pain in the dick, but it is what it is. I gotta take this one off too, that goes to the hydro boost. But yeah, we're slowly tearing this truck apart. maybe we'll be able to put it back together. We'll see. All right, we got the power steering pump out. I just need to loosen the 2 bolts for the chingalera. Esta madre, para sacar esta chingalera. Core support. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. This little bumper filler thing for the grill. And then we'll take those 2 out and then pull off the whole core support. And I'm running out of space in the shop to put shit. I still have to get engine hoist in here, pull this whole bastard out, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I need to throw my trash out. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, beaners, we got the core support out. We got everything out. We just need to pull the motor tomorrow, pull the engine out, and then I want to roll it out and pressure wash all the oil and shit that's on the driver's side. But we're getting there. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.